Hi guys, I'm here in our new home. We are planning to move in only in about 1 month, but we figured we need a trash bin now. And since we have already one exactly like this one here, which we bought around 9.5 years ago, we never had any issues, worked exactly how we wanted it. So it was very clear from the beginning that we want to have exactly this one again, just another one to have one in the new home here. Now I've cut this open, comes nicely protected. Let's pull it down. Yeah, looks exactly the same as the old one, I would say. Yeah, there's nothing changed. We also have this ring and then the garbage tray itself. Also some protection here inside. Remove the plastic. Yeah, you can see absolutely beautiful. There is no dent, nothing to see from transportation. Down here we have this plastic. Doesn't have like soft feet or so. It comes with instructions, manual. I think it's still exactly the same, works with infrared. On the right side we have the manual open button. On the left side the manual close button. Comes still with 2-year warranty. Yeah, and here's the lid. Works also by hand. You can see even without the battery, you can easily open, close it. But I mean, it's not highly recommended to do this manually. I would usually leave it to the electronics, to the motor inside. By the way, here we have the on-off, and we still need some batteries, large batteries. It says 4.5 volts, so I guess we need 3 of these very large, largest size of these batteries. So here we have 1 and number 2 and number 3. Positive thing is here on this side. Just push it down, close the lid, and then we lift it up, turn on the switch, and it's already ready. We have already started with a bag, so I put this bag here inside, and so we need this ring here, and so we pull up the trash bag through the inside of this ring. So we have it a little bit overlapping here, and so I push it down everywhere. You can see, push it down, push it down. Also here on the right side. And so we have the ring now pushing against the trash bag. And so you can see I can push it down and it's not like falling in. So this is how we secure it. And now we put the lid on top, and to use it with the automatic mode is just to hold our hand here, opens automatically, put the trash here inside, it will close it again. But of course we can also use it with the manual mode, right button here, and it will open it for a longer time. So you have plenty of time to put everything here inside, and when you're ready to go, just push the left button, it will close and then be ready for the next opening. If you just open it like that and then push it down manually, which works, but after that it won't open it with the infrared anymore. That's very important to know. So you really have to click on the close again, and after that it will work again. So I absolutely love this thing. Again, we have been using exactly the same thing 9.5 years. The only minor problem which we had was that the cover of these buttons cracked a little bit, but it didn't damage the buttons, just the cover here after 9.5 years. But still everything works like on day 1. So definitely full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.